You ready for this, honey?
Yes.
You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, so here we are, Maaco, Dayton, Ohio, and we just bought a pink car, and so we're gonna go ahead. We didn't buy the car pink, we got it painted pink. And the staff here is awesome. So, right there it is. We even lost its license plate already. Ooh, lost it on the interstate getting it. But let's go look at the car, see how it looks. Awesome. There we go. So, this is what this one looks like, which is also painted out Maaco. And this is car number 2. Is this your first time seeing the car, or did you actually see it once before? I don't know.
I saw it when it was like gray.
You saw it gray?
Yeah.
It wasn't gray, was it? I don't think. I forget what its color was.
It was.
This one was a dark gray if it was a gray. But, yep, looks good, doesn't it?
Pink.
It's pink.
And that pink handle.
Yep.
So pretty.
Pretty car. Let's see what the front looks like on this thing. And so, in a few days, this thing's going to be graphicked and going to be looking like that one. Just a little bit better graphics, because we also have a graphic for it that says we are hiring smiling people. Why do we have that?
Because we like to have smiling people to clean people's homes.
Yeah. So it's great having smiling people clean the homes, and it is awesome that we're growing and we're able to have more people helping more people. So, need a home cleaned in Troy, Ohio, or the Dayton area? We'd like you to think of us. And if you want to be one of our smiling faces helping other people, we'd like for you to think of us too. So, thank you guys for your time, and we will see you around.